In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 boring AI automations that you can sell for 2.5K to 5K per client while everyone else is chasing the flashy stuff that don't actually make money. Now, I put boring in quotes because these systems might not get you excited, but they are getting business owners very excited when they see an extra $5,000 to $15,000 hitting their bank account every month for the work that they didn't even have to do. And while everyone else is building AI girlfriends and ChatGPT wrappers, smart agency owners are focusing on these 4 simple automations that solve real problems for real businesses with real money. And the best part is that these businesses are so far behind on technology that what seems basic to you feels like magic to them. So, I'm going to break down exactly what these 4 systems are and why they work so well, and how you can start selling them to local businesses that are practically begging for this kind of help. But first, let me tell you who you should actually be targeting with these systems. The secret to making fast money with AI isn't selling to tech companies or Silicon Valley startups. Those guys already know a lot about AI and they have internal teams or expensive consultants already on their payroll. The money is in selling to people who know less than you, and that is the knowledge gap, and that is your most valuable asset. The basic AI skills which you can learn over a weekend can put you miles ahead of 99% of local brick and mortar and business owners. We're talking about HVAC companies, roofers, contractors, plumbers, electricians, home cleaners, landscapers, dentists, med spas, local law firms, accountants, gyms, personal trainers, and many more. These businesses often run few years behind of what is technologically relevant at the moment. And they are feeling the pressure to adopt AI because they keep hearing about it and they have no clue where to start. They don't want to build the next ChatGPT, they just want to stop losing money from problems that they know they have but they don't know how to fix. And that is where you come in with these 4 boring systems that solve their most expensive daily problems. System number 1, the AI receptionist. Now, I want to start with AI receptionist because this might be the most profitable boring system you can build. And it is a problem that every service business faces. They miss phone calls when they are on a job site with a client or after hours. And every missed call is potential lost customer. For a contractor, a single missed call could be a $10,000 project just walking away. Most of these businesses know that this is costing them money, but hiring a full-time receptionist costs $3,000 to $4,000 per month plus benefits. And for smaller businesses, that is just not feasible. Your AI receptionist solves this perfectly. It's a 24/7 voice agent that answers the phone when they can't. It can answer basic questions like the hours, location, services offered, and it can take detailed messages with contact information and the nature of their request. For appointment based businesses, it can even book appointments directly over the phone by checking the calendar availability. It even helps with rescheduling appointments or canceling them. Now, here's what it is worth to them. If they're missing even 2 of the $2,000 jobs per month due to missed calls, that is $4,000 in lost revenue. Your system prevents that loss while costing them a fraction of a human receptionist. You can easily charge $2,500 to $3,500 to set this up, plus a $200 to $400 per month for maintenance and AI calling costs. The ROI is so obvious that the price objections become super rare when you're actually on a sales call selling this. For the technical implementation, you can use tools like Wapi or Bland AI for the voice interface, and you can connect it to their existing phone system with a calendar integration for appointment booking. You are not doing rocket science here, but to them, it might as well be. And by the way, I'll drop a link to the tutorial to build all these 4 systems in the description. The second system is the social media DM bot. And this one is perfect for businesses with any kind of social media presence. So here's what happens. Gyms, restaurants, med spas, all these businesses post on Instagram and Facebook. People see their content and have questions. For example, what are your hours? Where are you located? How much does X or Y service cost? And do you take walk-ins? Now, the business owner or the staff spends hours every week answering the same questions over and over, and it's super repetitive. It's boring work that pulls them away from actually running their business or creating content that grows their brand. Now, what your AI DM bot does is that it connects to these Instagram and Facebook accounts, instantly answers the top 20 to 30 frequently asked questions, but it does not give just static responses. It can actually have conversations, qualify these leads, and direct people to actually taking the next step. For example, if someone asks about a personal training session at a gym and the price for that, the bot can ask about their fitness goals, recommend appropriate programs, and then send them a link to book a consultation or a trial session. This allows the business owner to save 5 to 10 hours per week of repetitive work and provides an instant customer service, which is 24/7, and the bot can actually generate leads and bookings directly from the social media conversations. For a business owner whose time is worth $50 to $100 per hour, saving 8 hours per week is worth $400 to $800 every week, or $1,600 to $3,200 per month. And what you can do is you can charge a $2,500 setup fee plus a $150 to $200 monthly maintenance, which would be a super easy sell to these business owners. To build this, you can use tools like ManyChat and ChatFuel, which are connected to the Facebook and Instagram APIs with some custom automation through either Zapier or Make.com to handle the more complex conversation flows. System number 3, an all-day SMS WhatsApp booking system. Again, think of dentists, med spas, consultants, attorneys, anyone who books appointments. They are busy during business hours seeing clients, but potential customers are thinking about booking appointments at 8 p.m. on weekends, during lunch breaks. And when someone tries to book outside business hours, what usually happens is that they send a text or a WhatsApp message and just wait for a reply as the customer or the potential customer. And maybe they get a good response in a day, maybe they don't even get a reply back. Meanwhile, what they do is they have moved to the next competitor who has responded faster, or they have just forgotten entirely. Your SMS or WhatsApp booking bot can solve this by being available 24/7 to answer any questions about the services, check real-time calendar availability, and book appointments automatically. For example, if someone texts, "Hi, I'd like to book a dental cleaning," the bot can instantly respond, "I can help you with that. I have availability this Thursday at 2 p.m. on a Friday or at 10 a.m." and can then instantaneously help to pick a slot, provide their contact details, and the appointment is booked automatically. Now, this is not convenience, it's revenue recovery. These businesses are losing bookings simply because they weren't available when the customer was ready to buy. Your system captures those appointments while they're sleeping. A dental practice, for example, books an extra 5 appointments per month at $200 each and is generating $1,000 in additional revenue. And a med spa booking 10 extra appointments at $300 each could be adding an extra $3,000 per month to the revenue. And what this allows you to do is charge a 2 to 3K setup fee plus a $200 to $300 monthly, and the ROI calculation makes the sale automatic. Now, to build this, you can use tools like Twilio for SMS and WhatsApp Business API, and you can integrate it with their existing calendar system. For example, if you're working for a dentist or a med spa, you can just put it integrated directly into their existing calendar, and your automation platform can handle the conversation flow and have the appointment logic as well. Now, last but not the least is system number 4, which is the AI UGC Content Factory. And this one solves a big critical marketing issue which every local business owner faces. Now, here's the brutal reality. Every business owner knows that they need to post more content consistently to stay relevant on social media. But creating fresh, engaging content every single day is super exhausting, it's very time consuming, and it's super expensive as a business owner. Now, most business owners hate being on camera and they don't know what to say or simply don't have the time to film content between running their actual businesses. So, what happens is that they post very sporadically and use the same old photos over and over, or pay thousands of dollars to marketing agencies for content that feels very generic and does not convert. What your AI UGC factory does is that it completely eliminates this problem by automatically generating unlimited personalized video testimonials, product demos, promotional content using AI avatars and voices. You can do this by creating AI avatars on platforms like HeyGen and a couple others. And what this allows you to do is create diverse, authentic profiles and avatars. And you can use 11 labs to generate natural sounding voices. Then you can build automated workflows that create dozens of unique UGC videos every single month based on the business's services, recent reviews, seasonal promotions, and local events. Again, taking the example of a dental practice, the system automatically can generate videos like, "Hey, I'm Sarah and I just got my teeth whitened at ABC Dental and the results are amazing and the staff was very professional. Definitely recommend." And all of this can be done with different AI characters, different scripts, and different backgrounds. For a restaurant, you can create videos of AI customers raving about their favorite dishes, talking about the atmosphere, and recommending it for date nights or family dinners. and each video looks and sounds completely authentic. The businesses get flooded with 20 to 30 fresh UGC creatives every single month without ever picking a camera, and they can flood their social media not just for organic side but even for ads, and they can post it across multiple platforms and always have fresh testimonials, fresh videos, fresh creatives that build trust and drive sales and keeps the audience engaged. Now, the way you do the value proposition here is that hiring a content creator usually costs $2,000 to $5,000 monthly, and getting real customers to create UGC is nearly impossible and inconsistent. And what your system does is that it delivers unlimited high quality content for a fraction of the cost. So let's say a local business is posting consistently. The engaging UGC typically sees a 40 to 60% increase in their social media engagement, and 25 to 35% of more website traffic, or 15 to 20% of boost in their monthly revenue from the improved online presence. You can charge 3 to 4 grand for a setup fee plus a $400 to $600 monthly maintenance fee for unlimited creative generation, and businesses will gladly pay this because they are getting content worth $5,000 or more monthly for less than what they would pay for a single part-time content creator. So those were the 4 boring systems I would recommend you to start selling. Now, if you want to start selling these systems, I want to give you a very practical roadmap. I do not want you to go in on all of these. Just pick one system to focus on first. Don't try to master all of these 4 immediately. I either recommend starting with either the UGC one or the AI receptionist because they have the clearest value demonstration. And you can learn to build these systems by following tutorials, which I'll link in the description, or by searching them on YouTube as well. And you can practice them on test accounts. You need to be able to demonstrate that it is working well before you actually sell it. And you would need that test account demonstration to actually show it on sales calls as well. And it'll help make the sale much easier. And for pricing, I don't want you to compete on pricing. These aren't commodity services. Price is based on the value delivered. So if your system saves them 2K per month in lost revenue or content creation costs, charging 3K for a setup fee plus a $400 monthly is a bargain for them as a business. And as you start getting clients, I want you to create a simple before and after case study. For example, before they were posting inconsistently, this business I'm working with was posting inconsistently, 200 followers, 10 monthly inquiries. And after the UGC video system, which we implemented for them, they were at 1500 followers and 45 monthly inquiries. Realistic case studies, realistic targets. And again, start out with local businesses because they are going to be the easiest to sell. Not saying that you can't sell online businesses, but I just want to give you an easy way in before you advance yourself. So yeah, that's basically it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.